Alright guys, just quickly want to go over the Yakima bike setup that I will be using to be able to put my bikes on the top of the car of the all-road. So let's start out in this set. Basically, the crossbars we're going to be using will be the Yakima Jetstreams. So this comes in a set of two. I think these are going to be like the 50-inch versions. I guess these would be small. And so that comes in a pack of two, so bought a set of those. And then to attach the crossbar, so that attaches to the crossbar, and this attaches to the actual raised rail on the car itself. So you need these Timberline towers. You can buy these in a set of four, and so purchase that. And then if you want to keep your items on your car from walking away, then definitely buying a set of SKS locks is recommended. Buying a bigger set like this, a pack of 12, will ensure you that you only have one key for all of your locks. And this is all going to sit on the high-speed mount system. So this is going to be a fork-based system. So the front tire will come off the bike. And so the fork will mount here on the bike, and then, you know, the rear tire of the bike will connect here. And so here's on the back of this Timberline box here, kind of showing how this is going to look. So something of that sort, I guess, is what we're looking at, of how that's going to be on the car. I don't know if there's any. And then here's a picture of kind of how that will sit on the rails itself. So that is what we're going to go with for this setup today. I'm still a little sad that I can't use my existing tow hitch-mounted bike carrier, but we have moved on, and so we've already purchased this set, and we'll give it a go. There's still an option that I might end up purchasing the Audi set eventually, but we'll see how this goes. This was a pretty good deal, I thought. This was on sale at REI, so I picked the set up, and we'll give it a go. So let me know, guys, what are you doing to get your bike on your all-road? What solution are you using? Are you using the Audi brand? Are you using Yakima or some other brand? Please let me know in the comments below. And hopefully the next video or one of the upcoming videos will basically be an unboxing of all of this, getting it together and getting it on the car. So if you want to see that video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions about this setup, please comment below. And as always, please like and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.